Hey everyone! I've just dropped our latest trading signals and market analysis for our premium members. This includes key support levels and high potential targets over on Patreon. Join the membership right now using the link in the description and the pinned comment. As always, please do your own research, as this is not financial advice. Now, let's get right into the analysis.